You know what pepper does? If we had eaten this food without pepper, it would have been one kind. But
here and
you will not feel just another whoa. But now that you have put pepper, the thing you open esophagus. Open esophagus. Where can you everywhere?
November is writers month, and I know that I'm going to be updating every week, and I don't want to choke my channel with a lot of writing vlogs, so I decided to split it up with sit down videos, a bit of vlogs that were not writing related. So I tried vlogging outside last week and it did not work out, because at first I was overthinking it, like the vlogging outside, talking in camera, and I had gotten over it and I started vlogging, and I realized that it's true that it's one thing to point your camera at something and another thing to actually update when you're vlogging that this is where I am, and I don't want to be that kind of person that just vlogs without talking, because I like it when people update when they're vlogging. So I said that until I have the courage to be the kind of person that talks outside while I'm vlogging, I'll have to wait. So now this is just a stay at home with me vlog for a few days. I don't know how long it's going to be until I have like enough content, like maybe 10 minutes or 13 minutes. So I'll continue vlogging until I have that much content. So NaNoWriMo is tomorrow, and I have a few things I want to do today. I want to retwist my hair, then record how I make videos. So that's what I'm going to do tomorrow, and a few other things that come up. I'm just going to be vlogging it. So I hope you enjoy. If you do, like this video in advance. So I decided to show my hair before I made it and after, and I lost the footage of me making the hair in between. So this is just it. My hair is usually longer before I make it than after, because I used to make each lock into a twist, so it just becomes shorter. So I'm done with twisting the hair. We started a few minutes past 12, and last time I checked, that was a few minutes ago, it was 4:48. So done, retwisted and twisted. I like twisting my hair so that the retwist will actually last. So later this year, December time, I'm going to make a video about my hair. I'll be 3 years locked December. So I'm going to make a video on my experiences, because I know that there are people that want to lock their hair, but they just don't understand. People just see the hair like, oh my god, like, I've never seen locks this tiny. So people want to do tiny locks. Just my experiences basically. I'm going to share how it's been. So if you are waiting for that kind of video, please subscribe. And it's practically evening, so I just have a few things to do, and that's it. Morning is 7:45 and November 1st, that's the first day of National Novel Writing Month. So I am going to record my daily word count goals and my progress in my novel. I woke up very early this morning before 7 because I want to record, edit and upload the video before 12 today, so that any other person that's participating in NaNoWriMo will actually have a video to watch if they're interested in just hanging out with the community. So basically that's it. This is a mini get ready with me makeup routine, whatever, I don't know. I just like seeing people's mini makeup routines as they're getting ready for a vlog. So I usually add shea butter to my foundation, like just to make it light coverage. I just like it. I don't know why. It just has this glow. It's not a lot on the face. I don't know if you get, like, you know that when you're wearing foundation or makeup in general, you just know that there's something on your face. But when you mix it with shea butter, the foundation, like, it just makes it light. And I like the feeling on my face. It's not choking my pores, if you get. So you can just try it. I don't know whether it's just me. And the thing is that I don't even see it anywhere. I just decided to mix it just to see how it will look like, and I actually really like it on my face. So you can try it. So basically my makeup routine is foundation, a little bit of concealer under the eyes, eyeliner, no mascara, drawing of brows and lip gloss and powder. Did I add powder? Yes, that's all. It can take me anywhere from 10 minutes to 15 minutes to get ready for a video anytime I want to do my makeup and everything. So basically this is the look. Usually I don't do makeup when I'm vlogging because it's just stress, but because it's the first day, the very first day of NaNoWriMo, I'm excited and I don't know, I just want to do something. So I'm going to set up now and start writing. So this is my filming setup. I record my phone, the back camera. So I keep on checking to see if I'm in frame. I go back and forth, go back and forth. This particular frame, I already finished talking and everything. Then I went to check and I had not clicked record. So I had to record it again. That's the stress. If I was recording with my front camera, I'd have noticed. But back camera, you can't even tell if you forgot to click the record button. So it's just past 9 and I finished recording 2,616 words that I've written today. So I'll arrange and remove this makeup and start editing because this video needs to go up before 12. So I ended up uploading and editing the video that day, but I not finished it before 12. I think I posted it maybe around 1. So I'll leave the link for you up in the cards and in the description in case you want to check out my day 1 of National Novel Writing Month. So it's Sunday. That last clip was on Tuesday. And basically, I'm cooking food for my brother for him to go to school. Because his midterm was Wednesday and he was going back on Sunday. So basically, the food was for him to go back to school.
Hello.
I don't know everything.
Oh, sorry.
Oh.
Miss, say bye-bye and hi to you too.
Hi. Bye-bye.
So you know I said that I don't want this vlog to be chaotic and it still ended up being chaotic. So I only recorded on Monday and Tuesday and the rest of the week I did not record because I thought I had enough footage to just record and edit and everything. So yesterday I was editing, that was on Saturday, and I saw that it was like 5 minutes, like the clips that were useful that made sense were 5 minutes. I'm like, that's too short, even though it's not too short, but like I wanted the vlog to be a little bit longer, like 13 minutes or so. I don't know if it will reach that. So I decided to add, so I just recorded my brother going back to school because he came back for midterm on Wednesday. So he has gone, and let me see if it will be long. If it's not long enough, then sorry for me. I'll have to get used to making longer vlogs. So, because I don't know how to make vlogs long. Like, what? Like, I watch a lot of vlogs, I know what it had, but I just don't know how to make it longer. Well, practice makes perfect, yeah. So now I'm just going to eat and watch TV. So that's it.
Actually, I'm looking for somebody that I believe has been a customer of yours.
They in some kind of trouble?
Oh, no, quite the opposite.
So that's all for this vlog. I actually want to do more vlogs. It's just that the effort to record and everything. But it's easier to edit. I don't know. It's more enjoyable to edit it. So I want to do more vlogs. So if you enjoy this, please like it so that I'll record another vlog very, very soon. So till next time.